Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about slope-intercept form. That is y equals mx plus b, where the m is the slope and the b is the spot where it crosses the y-axis. So when you look at this, what are the slope and y-intercepts of the graph of y equals 5x minus 2? Well, that letter m, the number in front of the x, you have a slope of 5, so I'm going to write that as 5 over 1. And my b is negative 2, so I'm going to write that as 0 and negative 2. So just to be real fancy, I wanted to graph it real quick. So I'm going to go over here to my coordinate plane, and I'm going to go to 0, negative 2. So go to 0, down 2, 1, 2, put a dot. And then my slope is up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. And I like to go twice, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. And there it is right there. There's my positive slope. And my y-intercept is 0, negative 2. And my slope is 5 over 1. All right. How about this? What is an equation of a line with the slope of negative 4/5 and a y-intercept of 7? Well, they gave us everything we need. They gave us the m, which is negative 4/5, and they gave us the y coordinate of the y-intercept, which is 7. So we're just going to write y equals negative 4/5 x plus 7. Pretty easy. Now, I wanted to graph this. So if I wanted to graph this, I'm going to go to 0, 7. And I'm going to go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a dot. Down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there is my line. Y equals negative 4/5 x plus 7. Pretty easy, right? I don't think it's a big deal. Moving on to this one. Find an equation of a line that passes through the point 2 comma 1 and 5 comma negative 8. Now this is a little unique because it takes the stuff that we did before. First thing I'm going to do is label my points. Y1, x1, y1, x2, y2. Now I've been trained to go ahead and write my slope formula. So m equals y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. And then I'm going to plug in my values. So y2 is negative 8, y1 is 1. X2 is 5 and X1 is 2. So this is negative 9 over 3, which is equal to negative 3. That's my slope. Now that I have my slope, I'm going to pick a point. This is just, it's like deja vu. I'm going to pick a point. I'm going to label this X1 and Y1, and I'm going to plug it into my point slope formula. Remember this from just the other day? Right, so now I have y minus 1 equals negative 3 times x minus 2. I'm going to distribute that negative 3 through, so I get negative 3x plus 6. And then I'm going to add 1 to both sides, so I get y equals negative 3x plus 7. There's my equation in slope-intercept form. My slope is negative 3, and my y-intercept is 0, comma 7. Pretty easy. How about this? Close it out with one of these. Graph y equals 2x minus 1. While looking at this, my slope is 2, and my y-intercept is 0, comma negative 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to 0, comma negative 1 and put a dot, and then I'm going to go up to 1, 2 over 1, up to 1, 2 over 1, and draw my line. Okay, nothing too crazy. I just want to make sure that, a little quick recap. Some of the equations that we have our slope formula, right? We have our point slope equation, and we have our slope intercept form. So make sure you're aware of all these and what they represent, and you should be okay. So if you didn't understand something, go ahead and pause it, watch it again, do it all over. Make sure you do the examples, and then all the give the give the we-dos a shot, and let's see what we got. All right. So have a nice day. Hopefully the force is always with you, and I'll see you mañana in class.